Hi, I'm Adam Lehrhaupt, children's book author and writing coach, and it's my great pleasure to introduce you today to the all-new Write Picture Books That Sell blog. Here at Write Picture Books That Sell, our goal has been to put all of the information in your hands that you would need to find the clearest, easiest path to publication. To that end, we have things available such as an online course, one-on-one coaching, manuscript reviews, and more. And now, I'm thrilled to be able to introduce you to the brand new blog. Now, our blog is going to be more than just simple videos or tips and tricks. We're going to be providing practical examples, resources that you'll be able to download, and much, much more. The blog will come out every other week, and they'll always be full of all kinds of new information. In addition to the blog, we're also starting a social media campaign to put all kinds of tips and tricks in your hand throughout the week while you're going through your writing process. On Monday, we're going to be introducing ideas. Every Monday, there's going to be tips, tricks, suggestions, and more for how you can generate ideas and how you can develop your ideas. On Wednesdays, we're going to be talking about the writing process. We're going to give you all kinds of little tips, little bits of knowledge to help push your writing process forward and optimize it so that you can duplicate it from book to book. And on Fridays, we're going to be talking about reviewing your manuscript and making edits. So there'll be all kinds of editing tips and resources that you can use to help you go through your manuscript, optimize it, and prepare it for submission. In addition to all of that, we're going to be talking about how you submit, how to identify people, what do you do with the manuscript if it's not working, and all kinds of additional content. Plus, we are going to take suggestions from you, our readers, our listeners, our fellow authors. So if there's something that you'd like to see us talk about, or if you're having some kind of trouble with your own writing, please let us know about it below, and we'll be happy to address it with one of our future blog posts or one of our social media tip sessions. Thanks for taking the time to stop by, and please follow us on Twitter, follow us on YouTube, like us on Facebook, or subscribe to the blog so that you can get all of the latest tips, tricks, information, and resources as soon as it comes out. Thanks again, and happy writing.